Non-functional data fixation detected.
Neural anomaly logged.
Can you believe this entire film was created from just one rough idea I typed into a chat box? No script writing, no complex prompts, no generating images one by one and stitching them into clips. Instead, an entire team made this for me. A story researcher, a screenwriter, a storyboard artist, a video producer, a sound designer, an editor, a full film crew, except none of them are human. This is Octask, and it's not another AI tool. It's a completely new way of creating content. Instead of using AI, you hire AI. You build your own studio, staff it with an AI crew that works in parallel and learns your taste over time. And you're the director. You don't do the grunt work. You make the creative calls and steer the ship. In this video, I'll show you step by step how I created this film with my AI team inside Octask. And stick around, because I've got 10 exclusive invitation codes to give away at the end. Let's dive in. So, head over to Octask AI and log in. If you're new, you'll go through a quick onboarding. Now here's a fun little detail. Octask starts you with this short personality quiz, and based on your answers, it assigns you a boss archetype. It sounds gimmicky, but it actually shapes how the platform suggests employees and workflows for you. So don't just click through it randomly, answer honestly. And there we go. This is your studio dashboard. This little pixel art office map, that's your studio. Right now it's empty because we haven't hired anyone yet. By the end of this video, this whole place is going to be buzzing with your AI crew working away. Alright, this is the fun part. We're going to hire our crew. Here, you can see all the team members. That's all the crew I hired earlier during the setup. If you want to add a new team member or crew, click on the Add button from here. You will be redirected to the staff market. You will notice all the pre-built staff here. Now you can preview any of them and add or hire them to your studio. If you want to create a new one, just click on the Create button. Once this pop-up appears, select an avatar from here for your avatar. Now, we just have to ask what we need. Let's say, I need a staff member that will write a story for me. So, I am typing. I need a staff that will write the story from the idea and hit the send button. After analyzing a bit, it comes with some questions. Basically, what are the use cases, the role, etc. Answer them promptly and hit the send button. And here it is, the staff is ready. Now click on the Create and Hire button from here. And you can see that the staff is already added to our studio. Okay, as I already added the required staff to the studio during the setup, I won't add any more staff to the studio. Okay, we've got our crew, and all of them are under my command. So, we are moving forward to the next step, actually make a film. We just have to enter the idea here in this box. Watch what I type. A 3-minute sci-fi short about a robot who discovers it can dream, tone, melancholic and hopeful. Visually inspired by Blade Runner 2049. Target audience, film festival crowd. See how specific that is? Genre, length, emotional tone, visual reference, audience. That gives your team something real to work with. Now you can attach images, videos, or text from here. After that, you can summon any crew member from here. I will leave it to the team member, so I won't ask for any member now. Okay, in the end, you can select the LLM model. Here you will find models like Claude, GPT, and DeepSeek. I am selecting GPT 5.5. Once everything is set, hit the send button. Now the supervisor Octo will take charge and analyze the idea. Once done, it will assign the related staff or member for the task. And here you can see that it assigned Julian Stone for the task. Julian Stone is the video director, and now it takes the charges. It comes with some more questions. We have to answer them. It asking for the narration, music, and visual Bible. Enter all your answers here in this box, and then hit the send button. Now the director Julian Stone will analyze it and create the plan. You should preview it carefully, and if anything is wrong, make adjustment. I think this is quite good. So, I will just click on the start button from here, and you can see that the video director Julian Stone has started its works. It will create the video following some steps. Each steps, it will assign related crew. You can see that Julian Stone is now working on the studio. It's like a real studio. I love it. Now, it will create the story, script, storyboard, and the videos. And here it is. The video is ready. Let's have a look on it.
Experience sunshine again.
Efficiency below acceptable threshold. Shutdown cycle initiated. Memory compression active.
Unit M42. Begin sector maintenance. Unit M42. Begin sector maintenance.
So, just now, we created this full film only from a rough idea, and it looks really good. And that's it. You just hired an AI film crew, built a production pipeline, directed a film, all inside Octask. Now before you go, I told you I had something for you. The Octask team has given me 10 exclusive invitation codes for you guys. If you grab one, you'll get 50,000 credits, free access to advanced models, and early access to experience Octask before everyone else. To get the code, subscribe to our channel, join our Discord server, and then come to the giveaway channel, and then enter your account email. The first 10 will get the invite code. Don't have a code? No problem. Head to Octask AI and join the waiting list. Octask is improving fast, and more access spots are opening up soon. And whether you get in now or later, join the Octask Discord community, link in the description. That's where you'll get updates, tips, and connect directly with the team and other creators. I'll drop the link below. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching. Now go build your crew. I'll see you in the next one.